So welcome to the next episode of the Explain series, and this is going to be a question and answer session on circumcision. Another question is, glands appear dry in circumcised men, and does this affect anything? No, it doesn't. The skin's a little bit harder wearing, but the nerve endings are still complete in the head of the penis and shouldn't cause any real problems in any way, shape or form. And so I wouldn't be particularly concerned. Another question I had is, does this affect penis size? And so if you are uncircumcised, obviously the foreskin is tissue around the glands of the penis and may appear to add a bit of bulk to the penis. And obviously if you take that layer of skin away, then obviously you could argue you're taking mass away from the penis, and so it may look not as big. But then again, I've also heard the opposite. In fact, there was a comedy when I was a kid about the called South Park, and there one of the kids was undergoing a circumcision and he was very, very concerned about it. And on that comedy program they said, well, you know, it gives the visual appearance, it makes the penis actually look bigger because the glands of the penis is actually exposed. And so there are 2 points of view on this, and it doesn't really matter what other people think. It's probably a matter of what you personally think. The actual length of the penis isn't affected in any way, shape or form, only when it's erect.